Hi, welcome to the Being Skilled tutorial. Please subscribe our channel by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon. Hi, in this tutorial we will talk about 3 services through which you can make really beautiful presentations, and these services are for free. So first is the Google Drive's Google Slides, and if you will go to your Google Drive, you will see these options and you can just select Google Slides. And once you're done with that, you will see this kind of interface wherein you can create presentations, save the name here, add the title and choose the design as well. You can right click and create new slide and you can change the designs to your liking. So this service is free by Google Drive or Google. Another one is Canva.com, which is again very beautiful service to create presentations. So as you can see, we have this design, or you can choose any design which is given. A part of them are paid as well, and then you can present over here, or you can download as well in the form of PDF. So that is the only drawback, but you can present it. So that's a good thing. So you can create your presentation in the Canva as well. And there are many beautiful designs which Canva.com offers. So that is an amazing service which you can consider. Another one is LibreOffice. So it is a free software which you can download. It is a free replacement of Microsoft Office suite. And all you have to do is just download and install this LibreOffice, and then you can just use Impress Presentation, which is a software similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you can select templates and basically you can do every single thing which is achieved using Microsoft PowerPoint, and we will talk about that in detail in following videos. You can choose different templates which it offers. So if you go to templates, you will see different templates which are there. So you can make changes to the design of your presentation. So you just have to go to File, New and Templates. So File, New and Templates, and you can choose different kinds of templates which are there. So let's say we are choosing this one. So a new file will be created which will have that particular template. So the design may be a bit basic, but then this is a fully functional replacement of Microsoft PowerPoint. So that is great. It saves you about $100 or $200. So that is great. And suppose you want to change the template of the currently used presentation, all you have to do is just go to this option which is Master Slides, and then select whatsoever template you want to choose. So for example, this one is what we are choosing, and so just select all the slides and then choose whatsoever design you want for your presentation. So these were the 3 services which you can use for creating really beautiful presentations, and that too for free.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.